Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of blockchain and exploring how it's transforming the way we verify customer identities. You might be asking yourself, why is this important? Well, in today's digital age, we're all about convenience and security. Blockchain offers a unique solution to traditional identity verification methods, making them not just faster and cheaper, but also safer and more private. So let's dive in and see how it works. First off, blockchain allows for a more streamlined and efficient verification process. Say goodbye to those days of filling out lengthy forms and waiting around for approval. With blockchain, customer information is securely hashed and stored on a decentralized network, creating a tamper-proof digital representation of their identity. Once verified, customers receive a digital KYC token that acts like a reusable proof of identity. This means no more submitting documents over and over again to different institutions. But wait, there's more. Blockchain also enhances security and reduces the risk of identity fraud. By storing verified identity data on a decentralized network, blockchain creates a single source of truth that's transparent and auditable. This makes it much harder for criminals to alter or steal your identity, since any changes to the data would be immediately flagged. Additionally, blockchain's cryptographic security features ensure that customer information remains confidential and protected against cyber threats. And let's not forget about the benefits for businesses. By adopting blockchain technology, institutions can streamline their onboarding processes, reduce costs associated with manual verification, and mitigate the risks of fraud. It's a win-win situation for both customers and businesses. Let's take a closer look at some real-world examples. Blockchain has already been implemented by several companies to great success. For example, one company uses blockchain to securely store and verify customer identities, enabling them to comply with anti-money laundering regulations while reducing their operational costs. Another company has developed a blockchain-based identity verification system that allows users to share their credentials across multiple platforms without compromising their privacy. These are just a couple of examples demonstrating the versatility and effectiveness of blockchain in the identity verification space. So what does the future hold for blockchain and identity verification? As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge. From self-sovereign identity solutions that put users back in control of their own data to blockchain-based credentialing systems that streamline professional networking, the possibilities are endless. At the forefront of this exciting development is a global initiative known as the Open KYC Alliance, which aims to revolutionize the way we share and verify identity information. By leveraging blockchain technology, this alliance is creating an open standard for digital identity that promotes interoperability and trust among different platforms. The alliance brings together a wide range of stakeholders, including technology providers, government agencies, and industry experts, to collaborate on developing and promoting blockchain-based identity solutions. If you want to be part of this transformative journey, we encourage you to join the alliance and contribute to the development of a more secure, efficient, and user-centric digital identity ecosystem. Together, we can unlock the full potential of blockchain technology and create a future where identity verification is fast, secure, and private.